G'day guys, Matt here, Auto 1 Browns Plains. Today I'm showing you the Rola Titan tray and Rola ridge mount. These are great tray and racking systems for your car. I'll show you a few of the features and benefits that they have. So first of all, it's got a 5-year warranty. It comes in a smaller box like this, so easy to transport, and then you assemble it. If you come over here to the product, you can see that it's got good channels going all around, dual channels going through the rails themselves, and then if we have a look at the ridge mounting system and come underneath, you're going to see that they have allowed holes there for running cable management. So your zip ties when you're running your cables, say for example for your light bars and things like this. Also, while we're down here, you can see on the rails here, they've actually have allowance for S-hooks. So if you're hooking things down, that's a handy one to have as well. We've just mounted a couple of Rola accessories to these as well, just to demonstrate. They have a much wider range than what I'm showing here. So guys, this is the combination of the Rola ridge mount and Titan tray. This is the Mark III, third generation of the Titan tray, here at Auto 1 Browns Plains.